So right now I'm in Palm Desert in California in the United States at the 2024 National Barbie Doll Collectors Convention. So I had to go shopping and see what treasures I can find. And I found this Barbie alarm clock. Now this alarm clock I found at Burlington. Not only did I find this fabulous Barbie clock, but I found the Barbie pillow, and it's a body pillow, and of course it has my favorite on there, the Barbie Silhouette, and it's pink in the back, and this was at Burlington. And I stopped over at Ross and checked this out. I found a Barbie ceramic cup. It is so cute, and of course I gotta point out the Barbie Silhouette on there. And my last treasure find was this ceramic cup, and this says California Dream Barbie. So cute. So yes, go over to your Burlington, your Ross store, and see what treasures you can add to your collection. Bye. Follow me.